Now, your first alert weather.
A smoky start to the work week, but we've had some nice temperatures. Numbers getting into the upper 70s, lower 80s across the Snake River Plain. And we're expecting to see a pretty decent change to that forecast as a cold front gets in here tomorrow, and that's going to shake things up. It's going to push back on some of the smoke. That's good. But we're also going to see a chance for some rain and some snow and also some freezing temperatures tomorrow night. Let's get outside right now. Kind of a smoky outlook here from downtown Jackson. You can see the smoke kind of just a bit hazy out there. And then as you go around the rest of the region, we've also been seeing the smoke as you get into the areas of the Snake River Plain. It's been very tough to kind of see the mountains about there if you're in the middle of the valley. But that shower activity coming in here from the west coast will start to clean up the air. We got some wet weather currently in North Idaho, Washington State, areas of Oregon and Northern California. The fires are still burning in central and northern California, but at least with the wind direction shifting and some of that wet weather, we can clear the air. Here's this area of low pressure coming on shore. The cold front is making its way across central and eastern Oregon right now and getting into eastern Washington as we speak. And that cold front, again, with us as we get through tomorrow. Plus, we're also tapping into a little bit of that moisture currently rotating around the Four Corners region. As we get into the Vipercast later tonight, we'll see that cold front sweep in here with showers across central and western Idaho early tomorrow morning. It's going to get awfully windy tomorrow early on just to get the day started as the cold front gets right overhead. And then we'll see the cold front exit the region with the showers behind, and we get a quick little amount of wet weather in here for the midday tomorrow. But most of the wet weather, a lot of the heavy rain and snow is going to be favoring Montana and areas up towards the Continental Divide into Yellowstone and areas up towards West Yellowstone, Montana and Island Park, and then even into western Wyoming into Jackson with a good amount of rain trying to spill into the valley there. We get into Tuesday evening around dinner time, and we are seeing the showers beginning to clear, the skies are beginning to clear, and the winds also starting to relax as we get into Wednesday. We'll still have pockets of wet weather in eastern Wyoming for Wednesday, but high pressure here locally will start to dry things out, and we'll see temperatures slowly starting to warm back up. Here's a look at that smoke model. Look at that. It's all being blown out of here, so that's good news. Our air quality will improve as we roll into Tuesday and Wednesday. Here's a look at the wind map, and I want to show you again, the cold front gets right overhead early tomorrow morning. Look at the winds tomorrow, out of the west and the southwest, well into the teens and 20s. Pretty gusty conditions just to get the day started. We'll have wind all day tomorrow. The winds will begin to relax on Wednesday, and with our clearing sky early Wednesday morning, the National Weather Service has issued a freeze watch with temperatures expected to be into the upper 20s to lower 30s. Early Wednesday morning. Highs at 63 for Montpelier tomorrow, 61 in Preston with a chance of some rain, but again, most of the heavy wet weather will be focused into Montana. 63 for the high in Jackson, 59 in Ashton, 59 for Driggs. We're in the upper 50s for St. Anthony and Rexburg with highs in central Idaho at 55 for Salmon, 56 in Arco with 54 in Ketchum with numbers in the Snake River Plain into the upper 50s for Rigby and IF. We'll see the upper 50s also for Blackfoot and Pocatello. 8-day forecast coming at you now for Rexburg. Temperatures here into the mid-50s on Wednesday, and then we recover our temperatures into the high 60s, lower 70s by this weekend with plenty of sunshine. So the real bump in the road is only coming in here for tomorrow, and then once we get into Wednesday and Thursday, high pressure building back in with warmer temperatures on the move. Blackfoot a high 57 through Wednesday with some freezing overnight lows. Salmon a high of 60 on Wednesday, also seeing freezing overnight lows for the next couple of nights and mornings, and then we're back into the 70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Jackson, a chance of some rain and snow showers into the mountains. Highs will be into the mid-50s on Wednesday, but we are expecting to see some lows back into the teens and 20s. Pocatello, highs around 57 for Wednesday, 64 for Thursday, and we're into the lower 70s as Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with plenty of sunshine to get us through the weekend. But again, it's going to take a couple days to warm back up. Idaho Falls, 58 for the high tomorrow, 56 on Wednesday. We're into the upper 60s, lower 70s for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Looks like we can pull off another nice weekend out there. Our John Adams GMC Spirit of Idaho coming to us here from Barb and Glen of Mackey. When the last little storm came in about a week ago with that quick moving cold front, we got dusting of snow up around Mount Bora, and this is a picture from back then. So Barb and Glen, thank you for sending that in for our John Adams GMC Spirit of Idaho. But yes, fall is in the air. Also in the air, Sports Line with Eric.
And thanks so much, Michael. Coming up in sports, the Idaho State Bengals fell just short in its homecoming game Saturday, dropping to 0-3 on the season. But the team showed some bright spots in the loss.